In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your graphs more visually appealing and accurate. First, make sure to give your graphs titles. To do so, you can double left click on the graph title, name to select it, press backspace, and then write in your own title. Next, in the bars, you can use colors that make sense given the data. For example, I may want to make the Republican bars red and the Democrat bars here dark blue. If you left click on a bar and then right click, that allows you to change the color of that specific bar with the fill option. Note that you can also change the outline color. So in this example, I'm going to start with the Democratic bars and make them dark blue. Then I'm going to make all the Republican bars red. Note that if you double left click on a bar, it'll allow you to change the color of that specific bar and not the other bars. Also note in the bars, choose colors that are distinctive. If people cannot distinguish between the bars, then they will not be able to analyze the data. For example, red and blue are distinctive colors. They are easy to tell apart, but yellow and orange next to each other may not work because they are too close to each other. Next, with respect to bar charts, make sure the x-axis on the chart reflects the spread of the data. If you accidentally add a blank category to your pivot table, it'll show up on here and you will have to redo everything. Next, with respect to scatter plots, make sure the x-axis and the y-axis reflects the spread of the data. To do so, you can double left click on the axis numbers. A box should pop up in the right side of the screen. Left click on the bar symbol. Left click on axis option. You can change the bounds of the minimum and the maximum of the data. You can also change the units. You can also left click on the dots and the linear trend line to change the color and size. Press the paint can symbol to edit the elements. Marker, fill, and border allow you to change the color of the dots. Color allows you to change the color of the line. And dash type lets you change its dash type. Last, you can remove an element from a chart by left clicking on the element, right clicking, and selecting delete to get rid of the element.